Wapeuntake Secondary School has joined several educational institutions that have criticized the 7.1 billion shillings allocation to implement the A-level curriculum. Godfrey Byamukama, the deputy head teacher of the school, told Beg Media that while they welcomed the development, the funds are not enough to cater for all the requirements.
Currently, we have the adopted curriculum, but there is also going to be an overhaul of the entire curriculum over a period of about 4 years. But for now, we hope that the money that has been passed, first of all, is going to help in the retooling of teachers so that they become more adapted to the new level curriculum. And this will start in the month of May, that is the holiday for term 1, 2025. We also expect, as they have promised us, to provide materials for now what we call the adapted curriculum. And when it is totally overwhelmed.
He decried the limited library and laboratory facilities at the school, saying they needed to be expanded.
And in the school, our enrollment is now over 2,000. So that is another area where we need a new library to help us students make research, and this library will also have computers in it, because now with the new curriculum, students have got to do much research on their own. In the school, we also have a boarding section, and this boarding section, to be handled better, we need more teachers who stay on the ground. But currently, out of the over 100 teachers, we're only able to house 3 on ground at the school, because we have only 3 units. If government would also help us in that area, it would improve on the supervision of the boarding section.
He also appealed for government support to help them construct other dormitories for boys and teachers' houses.
We are still faced with a number of challenges in the education of these students, because when you look at new curriculum, it is more or less hands-on, and students have got to visit the labs, they have got to work on projects. But when you look at the current laboratory that we have, it is quite small and over 60 years. So our appeal would be to the government to enable us construct a new laboratory block. Also, the other challenge is the library. Our current library cannot seat more than 100 students at a go.